Senators assure that the proposed Bangsamoro Basic Law will undergo close scrutiny and modification. Senate President Franklin Drilon clarified that they will not water down the BBL. Jade Miguel reports.
The Bangsamoro Basic Law will not be passed untouched. That is the statement of Senate President Franklin Drilon when asked whether they would change or remove certain provisions on BBL. Drilon said that there are provisions in the current BBL that are unconstitutional, which the senators will then discuss on their deliberations.
We will not dilute. We will examine it closely and modify provisions which we believe is not consistent with the Constitution. It will not pass untouched.
However, Drilon did not further go into details as to what provisions he thinks are unconstitutional. Instead, he said that they will discuss about those in the plenary. Meanwhile, the senators have different answers on the timeline of BBL. According to Drilon, the BBL may possibly pass on June, but Senator Francis Cheese Escudero said that it might not be passed on the said month.
Malabo siyang pumasa sa parang lumalabas na deadline sa Mayo. Sa palagay ko, hindi kahit...
March. Unang deadline is March and then June.
Malap sa pananaw ko, baka hindi pa abutin ng Hunyo. Dahil kung bawat probisyon ay magkakaroon ng katanungan sa komite pa lang, at malamang sa komite tatanungin lahat yan. Dahil pagdating sa plenaryo, yung chairman ang sasagot eh. Hindi na yung mga resource persons mismo.
The senator added that one good thing about the Mama Sapano incident is that they have realized the weaknesses of BBL, which may go unnoticed. One of the provisions that is unclear for Senator Escudero is the decision of Sharia court in cases within the Bangsamoro entity as final and executory. The senator said that this is contrary to the constitutional provision hailing the Supreme Court as the highest court in the country.
Baka mamaya ideklara na naman ng korteng unconstitutional yan. Ano, panibagong gera at away na naman? Nilagay nila sa BBL na ang desisyon ng Sharia High Court final and executory. Sang-ayon ba ang Korte Suprema dyan dahil sa ilalim ng konstitusyon? Ang may final say at karapatang mag-review ng lahat ng kaso, Korte Suprema natin.
For the People's Television, this is Jade Miguel reporting.